Swisscraft, the IFA management, Andre Timmins, Viras Serkari and Sabas Joseph would like to thank the Indian film industry for having helped make this IFA a rocking success. We would especially like to thank the IFA Advisory Board, जिन्होंने हमें अपना support देकर हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया है. I'd like to call on stage one of our esteemed guests. Please welcome Deputy Minister for Economic Development, Sri Lanka, Mr. Lakshman Yappa.
Hi everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sri Lanka is truly honored to be the host nation of this prestige event. A warm welcome to all of you from Sri Lanka. We believe that being able to host the International Indian Film Academy, or the IFA in Sri Lanka, is a strong symbol of friendship, solidarity and unity. Thank you, IFA, for believing in this resilient island nation. I wish you all the success in the future. Now, let's raise the curtains and let the stars shine. Sattame Jayato. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. और अब इंडिया के दिल से इंडिया की बात कोलंबो तक पहुंचाने प्लीज वेलकम मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट मिस्टर शशि थरूर.
Hi, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, good evening. Today we celebrate Indian cinema in Sri Lanka, a country just recovering from the ravages of civil war. The end of the conflict with the LTTE has presented Sri Lanka with an opportunity to heal the wounds created by decades of protracted conflict, to make a new beginning and to build a better future for all of its people. But India has never shirked its legitimate concerns, and our engagement on this issue has been received in a very constructive spirit by the government of Sri Lanka. India has strongly supported the right of the government to act against terrorist forces. At the same time, India has emphasized the importance of focusing now on the issues of relief, rehabilitation, resettlement and reconciliation. And the Indian people are proud that our government is working actively in assisting in these 4 Rs in northern and eastern Sri Lanka. A 5th R, the redevelopment of the war-affected areas, is the next priority. I wish IFA and all of you a memorable evening. Yes.
To give away the first set of technical awards at the Micromax IFA Awards, may I please call on stage Javed Jafri and Amna Sharif to present the IFA for Best Cinematography.
The Micromax IFA Award for Cinematography goes to C.K. Muralidharan for 3 Idiots. Micromax IFA Award for Special Effects goes to Charles Darby for Aladdin. IFA Award for Choreography goes to Bosco Caesar for Love Aajkal. The Micromax IFA Award for Action goes to Shyam Kaushal for Kamine. The Micromax IFA Award for Costume Designing goes to Anahita Shroff and Dolly Aluwalia Tibar for Love Aajkal. Micromax IFA Award for Makeup goes to Christian Tinsley and Dominique Till for Bar.
The Micromax IFA Award goes for the Best Dialogue to Rajkumar Hirani and Abhijat Joshi for Three Idiots.
The Micromax IFA Award for the Best Screenplay goes to Abhijat Joshi, Rajkumar Hirani and Vidhu Vinod Chopra for Three Idiots.
The Micromax IFA Award for Editing goes to
Rajkumar Hirani. Yes!
Micromax IFA Award for Sound Recording goes to
Vishwajit Chatterjee and Nihal Ranjan Samant for Three Idiots.
Micromax IFA Award for Song Recording goes to
Vishwadeep Chatterjee and Sachin K. Sangvi again for Three Idiots.
Micromax IFA Award for Sound Recording goes to
Anup Dev for Three Idiots.
Last but not the Micromax IFA Award for Background Score goes to
Sanjay Wandrekar, Atul Raninga and Shantanu Moitra for You Guessed Right. Three Idiots.
पहले आर्टिस्ट फिल्म स्टार्स को पेंट करते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल M.F. हुसैन साहब ने हम आपके हैं कौन के बाद माधुरी दीक्षित की पेंटिंग बनाई.
फिर एक बार माधुरी का विवाह हो गया. विवाह देखकर M.F. हुसैन साहब ने अमृता राव की पेंटिंग बनाई.
थैंकफुली अमृता राव अब तक कुंवारी है, वरना पता नहीं अगला नंबर किस बेचारी का लगता.
लेकिन अब इंडस्ट्री में एक नया क्रेज आया है जहां स्टार्स खुद पेंटिंग करते हैं. सबसे पहले सलमान स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग.
इन प्रोटेस्ट M.F. हुसैन स्टॉप्ड and then Sridevi started painting.
M.F. Hussain is still protesting. इसलिए हमने सोचा कि अगर इंडस्ट्री के स्टार्स पेंटिंग बनाते तो क्या बनाते. Let's have a look. Let's start with maybe Abhishek Bachchan. What do you think Abhishek Bachchan would have painted?
अभिषेक बच्चन को मैं जानता हूँ और वो हमेशा मुझे लगता है कि वो उस चीज को पेंट करेंगे जो सबसे ज्यादा चाहते हैं.
Something he loves.
Something he really cares about. Something he constantly thinks about.
Something he admires.
Absolutely.
Or someone he admires.
I don't know, but we have to see that.
Okay. So, let's have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this?
Abhishek Bachchan's masterpiece. Let's have a look. Yes, that's right. It's Aishwarya Rai as Mona Lisa.
That's so sweet of Abhishek. Give Abhishek a big hand.
Abhishek हमेशा इनके बारे में ही सोचते हैं 24/7.
सोचते रहते हैं.
सोचते रहते हैं.
That's very cute.
Absolutely.
Very cute.
Now let's have a look at what Aishwarya would paint.
What would Aishwarya paint?
I think she would paint something that she really admires, she really loves, and she constantly thinks about.
Right?
Yeah.
What do you think that would be? Let's have a look what Aishwarya Rai would have painted.
She would paint herself. So I think हमें राय का पहाड़ नहीं बनाना चाहिए.
नहीं, राय का पहाड़.
Let's move on. Let's see the next painting.
I think let's have a look कि आमिर खान ने कौन सी पेंटिंग बनाई.
Let's have a look at Amir Khan's painting.
Right?
It's a blank canvas. क्योंकि आमिर की तरह उनकी पेंटिंग भी अवार्ड फंक्शंस अटेंड नहीं करती. ये पेंटिंग आपको सिर्फ नेशनल अवार्ड में दिखाई देगी. वो नेशनल अवार्ड और ऑस्कर के लिए जाते हैं. Now, do you want to see what Ranbir Kapoor would paint?
Do we love Ranbir Kapoor?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look at this masterpiece
by Ranbir Kapoor.
By Ranbir Kapoor.
Can we have a look, please? It's a cat.
Cat. आजकल के बच्चे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग करते हैं, डायरेक्टली कुछ नहीं करते.
हाँ, मुझे पता नहीं कि
Why would Ranbir Kapoor paint a cat? No idea?
I have.
Anyway, let's move on. Let's see the next painting by Deepika Padukone.
Yes. Oh. It's a badminton racket hitting a cat. मुझे पता नहीं कि दीपिका ऐसी पेंटिंग क्यों बनाएगी. Let's move on. Who are we to judge?
Now the next painting. The next painting is by John Abraham, and it's a self-portrait.
Let's have a look at John's self-portrait. Absolutely right.
But John has a great body himself. Why would he paint something like this?
मुझे लगता है कि ये जॉन हमेशा आर्नल्ड की तरह बनना चाहते थे।
आर्नल्ड कौन?
अब शिवाजी नगर।